Hello everybody, welcome. Just a quick one today. I was asked to do fish burger. I'm not sure whether they went the right fish burgers, I haven't got a clue. The ones from Aldi's, they said, I think it's them. I have done one of these on my channel before when I very first started. I can't remember which one. I think it might have been Southern Fried. I'm not 100%, I can't remember. I can't remember who told me, it was in the comments. And they said when they cook them they go all mushy and that, so I thought, well, I'll give it a go anyway and see what happens. So quite simple, £1.99p they are at the minute for two in each one, two in each box. So I got a nice, not as spicy, yes, I've got a tempura batter. And I think, isn't that supposed to be a bit like McDonald's fillet of fish or something? And a Southern Fried. So, quite simple then. It's instructions, I haven't even got my glasses on, look, have I? Oven 180, 25 to 28 minutes. Do they all say the same? I think they should do, shouldn't they? 25 to 28. 25 to 28. There's all the nutrition if you can see it. I'll try and zoom in if I can. So you can see that on there. That was a hot and spicy one. I can't see this camera properly here because I got it the wrong way around, so I don't know if you can see it or not anyway. Well, you probably had them before, ain't you? I'm useless with my glasses and I also forget my glasses. I've got some buns as well. And I've got 3 cheese. I'm going to do one of each one. There's only me having them because no one else in the house likes fish. And I thought I had some tartar sauce, but I've got no tartar sauce, so I'm just going to have them with cheese. And just see, well, that's if they cook alright. So we'll get them in the oven. Well, we'll get them out. Well, I'll get a pan out first. I've got a hot pan. I've got the oven on. Right, I got the pan. Get the pan out. So, hot and spicy first then. I swear I've done them before on my channel when I first started. I swear I have. But I'm not sure which one I've done. There's the hot and spicy. Looks quite nice. I'm not expecting it to be very spicy, but it looks nice. Put that one on. Southern Fried. And get that one opened up. New look on them, I suppose it says. That's what it says there. So obviously they've changed the recipe or whatever they've done. There's a Southern Fried. Put that at the back like that. And the tempura batter one. Now I think this is one more like the fillet of fish, isn't it? From at McDonald's. I don't know, do they still do it at McDonald's? Presume they do, don't they? So it's going to be quite easy then, it's going to be a short one this. In the oven, 25 to 28 minutes. And we'll see what they come out like. Right guys, we're just going through the video. You couldn't see the nutrition and that on there, so let me show you again. This is the hot and spicy. Do what you do, give it a pause and do what you do. There's all the ingredients and everything for that one. Now the tempura battered fish now. Where's the thing first? Show you that. There it is. Do the same, just give it a pause. The fish is done. So I thought I'd just show you these first, and it's the Southern Fried one. I've just burnt my bun in the toaster. Forgot about it while I was doing this. Do another one. There we go. Right, we'll dish up. Don't know if you can tell on the camera. Kitchen's full of smoke. Smoke alarms have gone off. Burnt my cobs. Put them in the toast. I just put them in the toast. Well, I did that last little section there. I've done myself some more. God. Everything's going pear-shaped. Everything's going pear-shaped. Right, now I've got the fish out. There they are. Now, I know whoever it was saying, I can't remember, they was really, really soggy when I first took them out. They've been out a couple of minutes now, I've had to open the windows and that. But they was really, really soggy, and I still feel really soggy now. But we're going to have a look anyway. Right, we've got the hot and spicy. I'm going to need a... Look, if you pick them up, they're really soggy. And probably got, I don't know if you can tell on the camera, but they're really, really soggy. Then we'll put southern fried on that side. And then we'll put the temper that side. So I've got no tartar sauce, which is a shame. I thought I had some. We're going to bit of cheese on anyway. I don't know if I can show you properly. See it in there. Probably miss a bit on that one. But say we'll have a taste. Should have put the cheese on the bottom, shouldn't I? Simple little video like this and I'll burn things. Ain't really got to do much. I'll put them in the oven and put a bit, some cobs in the toaster. I only put them in the toaster because it was convenient, that's all. Never mind, eh? Never mind. Get this last one out, there we go. And get me other cobs. I could put some mayo on it, I suppose, couldn't I? But, oh well. Well, there they are. 3 different fish ones. So, let's get up the table. Let's have a little taste. Right, I'm up the table. It's only me here. Nat's just had a pizza a bit earlier, that's all. So let me show you. So, there we go. That's the hot and spicy one. That's the tempura one. I think that's the one. Well, I think it's the fillet of fish, isn't it? I think. And let's look at that. Look, see all that just fall apart. Look. So I mean, baby, squishy. Can't even pick it up. Look underneath. So I know what they're saying. I think the last time I done these, I done them in the air fryer. I'm sure I did. But anyway, let's crack on and see. Hot and spicy first. It's not going to be hot and spicy, is it? It's just going to be warm in it, I think. It's got a little kick. Nothing special, but it is a bit spicy. Okay. It's not bad. Very squishy like that, yeah. Try the neck. I'm going to drink of water first, actually. Oh, get a drink of water. Now the fillet of fish one, tempura, whatever they call it. That's not too bad. Be better with tartar sauce on though, but that's not too bad. And now the southern fried, which just completely fell apart. But because then your gob done it. And also a bit of pepper, but it's very, that one is very mushy. Very mushy. That's the worst one for the mushiness. That's not as bad. To be honest, to say that ain't bad at all. The tempura one, and then the hot and spicy is not bad either. But that southern fried one is really mushy. What's my favourite? I'd probably go for the hot and spicy. Yeah, I think I would. I'd go for the hot and spicy. I don't think I'll buy the sun fried one again. I can't remember them being that mushy before. Unless that was because I've done them in the air fryer, I think, I'm not sure. I'm sure I've done them in the air fryer, I'll have to have a look back. Yeah. Yeah, but £1.98p I think there was. Or £1.90, no, £1.99. So just under £1 a burger, innit? I mean, obviously with your bun as well. So you're talking just over £1, bit of cheese for a burger. For a fish burger. Can't moan, can you really, I suppose? Don't look the best. I don't think I'd buy the southern fried, no I wouldn't again. Hot and spice all in all with some tartar sauce, and that'd do me. Not the best fish. What fish is in that? I've got my bloody glasses on, look. Alaskan pollock. I think that's what it says. I can't read it. I've got my glasses on. 66% or something. Something like that. Yeah, so it's not the best, is it? But there you go, anyway, just something quick. I've probably dragged on a load, it took a long time now. Well, never mind, I'll say I'm the old food guy. I can't remember who said this to me. I do apologise. But yeah, you're right, they are quite mushy. Maybe I didn't turn them over because I didn't say so. Maybe you turned them over 3/4 of the way through to do the other side once you want the tops done. Maybe you could do that. As I say, till next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.